So SMART goals are super important. You might be wondering, what the heck is a SMART goal? Well, in our masterclass that we're going to be working on together, we're going to be using SMART goals specifically to make sure that everything we're doing is, let's break down this acronym here. SMART stands for specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-based. Those are all super important. I know for me specifically, I'll create these like huge crazy goals, which are amazing, but then what happens when I don't set myself up for success by not making them attainable is then I get really discouraged. I will say I'm actually, I like having really crazy goals because it pushes me to my limit. So like right now I'm over here at Office Depot. I'm gonna find some really cute binders. We're gonna be putting together binders for my 90-day blueprint, my 90-day sprint class. Because every single week when they come in, it's a 12-week workshop class together, and every week they come in, they're going to get that week's materials that we're going to put into it. So I'm actually going to find something that's like cute or something to put everything together, because with SMART goals, you want to make sure that you have everything in one place so that as you're going through your materials, it makes it easy to keep everything measurable, right? The M in SMART. Zach, what do you think about this? I almost feel like I want something that feels good though.
The color. How does it feel?
The black. Yeah, we'll find something that's like softer. We want it to like feel luxurious.
Yeah.
So anyway, SMART goals, make sure that as you are going through your business and figuring out how you can grow, you want to make sure that you have those goals set up for success. I'm like over here with wandering eye syndrome trying to, oh, here it is. Here it is. This is it. Let's get these right here. These are cute. Right? It's like the little leather. Yeah. But anyways, that's right. Put your headshot in the front. So yeah, we're each week, my people are going to get, so I need 10 of them. They're going to get all of their week's materials. We're going to put them in together. All of our templates are going to be like swipe them and inject it right into your business and go. I'll have to come back so my hands can be full with all of them. To really set everybody up for success, because making sure that, you know, the T in the SMART, which was the time-based, that's so freaking important, because otherwise these goals will just keep going and going and going. I know for me, I'll create a goal and then like 6 months later, I'm like, whatever happened to that goal? And it's just sitting there on my Trello board because I've forgotten about it because there was no time-based element to it. Anyways, if you need some help, make sure that you go to the website and you download my 90-day sprint blueprint, and you can go through it on your own. You can set up a call with me if you need some help, and if you need even more help, you can jump into our course and get that hand holding from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next video. Hopefully I don't get kicked out of here for having a camera.